Hello and Kamusta. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm Elise and welcome to Change of Taste, where we cook and pay homage to Filipino cuisine with a slightly elevated twist that you, my friends, can cook at home. Today we are making eggplant salad. In the Philippines we call it Ensaladang Talong, so let's get cooking. Right now I'm just getting my Japanese eggplants and cross-hatching them with a paring knife. I'm going to do that to each one, and this ensures that there will be nice steady cooking throughout because we are just going to be broiling this. I set it on a sheet tray and just seasoned it with salt and pepper and drizzled it with olive oil, and we're going to be broiling this. After it broils, it's going to get that nice char on it, which you really want. Next, I'm going to be cutting up a red onion to start the tomato relish. I'm going to just be small dicing it. And I'm going to get my sweet cherry tomatoes and just cutting them in half. You're going to be wanting to still season this with salt and pepper, even though we're going to be adding fish sauce to this. I just added cilantro with its stems. And I'm just going to be adding fish sauce and white vinegar. Just going to stir it all about. This tomato salad relish, it goes really well with anything, not only just eggplant, like fish or meats, anything that has like some kind of, fattiness to it. Right now I'm gonna just be adding and plating up my Ensaladang Talong, my eggplant salad, with the tomato relish and the salted egg. And I'm garnishing it with some cilantro stems and leaves and some fried shallots, just for a nice textural, crunchy texture. And as always, this goes really well with the salted pork belly that I made in my other video. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. It is the salted crusted pork belly. Salt crusted pork belly, and it is lechon style with a little bit of lemongrass and everything. So thank you for joining me today. Please like and subscribe and click that notification bell for upcoming recipes. See you again, and remember, evolve and cook freely, my friends.